Everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this braided ponytail, so let's jump right into it. I'm starting with my hair washed and blow dried, and I'm going to start by sectioning my hair off from ear to ear. And then I'm going to pin the back half of my hair away and just focus on the front first. And to start off, I'm going to section the front of my head into 3 triangles. So yeah, 3 sections, and they're triangle pieces because I'm going to be braiding up towards the center of my head to do the ponytail. Up to you kind of how you want to style your braids. I want mine to be kind of swooped and swirled up, so I'm going to start my first braid, and I'm starting from the end of that middle section, and I'm just doing a curved part as you guys can see, and I'm going to be using the Kiss Edge Fixer Maximum Hold, and this is for braiding specifically, and I just apply that in my parting area and at the front of my head, and then I'm just going to take a little section and just start French braiding up. Now I will say my braids were not perfect, but yeah, you just want to start braiding all the way up. Let me apologize right now for the lighting. This was filmed at nighttime, so I prefer to film in natural lighting, but like I said, this is at nighttime, so I'm strictly using like my ring light and another light. So I don't know, the lighting is a little off, so I apologize in advance. And I also got this new green screen that I've been kind of playing with. I don't know if I like it or not yet, but yeah, so if it looks a little weird, that's what's going on in this first half. But yeah, I'm just going to continue with that first section, and I'm still doing the curved part and just braiding my hair up. You do not have to add or feed in any synthetic or braiding hair. I mean, if you want to, you can, but for this style, I did not. I'm just using all of my natural hair, and I'm doing them a nice, like, small to medium size. And this is how it looks once I have like almost my whole whole front part of my head done. And now I'm just going to start on this last section, and so I'm just taking them and swooping them up in the opposite direction. And here is what we have so far. So I have the front half done, and it looks pretty decent. And so now I'm going to move on to the back of my head, and I'm going to start by parting the back section into 2 halves and pinning 1 half out of the way. Now honestly, I thought that the back was going to be a bit of trouble, but it was actually a lot easier than the front half of my head. So in the back, I think I had about 8 braids total, and I'm just sectioning them off and braiding them up to the center of my head, as you can see here. The hardest part about doing the back is that your arms get tired really fast. So I kept like taking breaks with the back just because my arms were getting tired. But as far as the braiding motion goes, it was pretty easy to braid the back part of my head. And in total, it took me a little under 2 hours to braid my hair, and that is including breaks. And next we're going to move on to creating the ponytail. I want to thank Model for sending me these packets of the Glance braid, and this is the ZOEY braid collection, and they come in 3 different styles. They have curly, wavy, and twist curly. I got the wavy, and it's in 24 inches, and they're just your standard pre-looped crochet box braids, and then they have the wavy ends. So I'm going to take these and create a ponytail with it. It had about 24 braids to each pack. So I'm going to be using a scrunchie and a crochet needle, and I'm just going to start by looping the individual braids around the scrunchie. Now, I will say I did a horrible job at demonstrating this on camera. It was really late, and for some reason my technique was just so off, but it's really not that hard to do it. You stick the braid through the scrunchie and then loop the end, and yeah. So like I mentioned before, the pack comes with 24 braids. I used about 26 to 28 braids on my ponytail, and I only had, I want to say, 13 braids on my head. So you do want to fill your ponytail out more than the amount of braids that you actually have on your head, because if you do the exact number of braids that you have cornrowed, the ponytail is just gonna look super thin. So I used a little bit over 1 pack of hair. And now to installing. So here's my head, got my little face done, and my edges are laid down, and it's really simple to attach the ponytail. So I'm just going to loop it, well, not loop it, but I'm gonna apply it onto my head, just stick my little bun through the hole, and then I'm going to double it, as you can see. And you kind of have to scoot the braids out of the way, but this is just gonna make sure that it's tight on, just almost how you would double any standard rubber band on your head. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to take maybe 2 or 3 braids and just tie it around the base, just to kind of anchor it and secure it and hide my little bun in the middle. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin it out the way. And that was pretty much it. This was really simple. Like I said, it took me under 2 hours to braid my hair. It took me about 15 minutes to create the ponytail, and it took about 5 minutes to install the ponytail on my head. So this is a really quick, tension-free hairstyle, and I was super surprised that I was able to pull it off, because I was nervous. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Definitely check out Model in their ZOEY braid collection. It comes in a range of colors, so if you don't want 1B or your standard colors, they do have a couple ombre colors, which I'm actually going to show you in a few. But yeah, you can wrap it up in a bun, which I prefer. I kind of like just the sleek top knot bun look. And I also wanted to show you guys some of the colored hair. So I did go ahead and create a ponytail with the ombre. This is the ombre 27. And if you don't want it wavy, I wanted to see if you could dip it, and it does get straight. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed. Definitely check out Model if you're interested in some crochet box braids. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.